Cozyla vs Apolosign 2025. Which digital frame is best? Digital frames are more popular than ever, but Cozyla and Apolosign stand out in 2025. Which one is actually worth your money? Let's find out. Cozyla is more than a digital frame. It's a smart display with calendar features, photo sharing, and productivity tools. Families love it for staying organized and connected. Apolosign focuses on being a premium digital photo frame. It emphasizes high-resolution displays, easy uploads, and clean design. Most people get this wrong by comparing them as identical products, built for different purposes. Cozyla shines in functionality. You can sync calendars, show reminders, and display photos at the same time. It's great for households that want a shared command center. Apolosign delivers superior photo quality. Images look sharp and vibrant, making it ideal for showcasing memories. Setup for both is simple, using mobile apps to upload content remotely. The surprising truth is that Cozyla feels more like a smart home device, while Apolosign feels like a modern photo album. Price-wise, Cozyla usually costs more due to added features. Apolosign offers strong value if you only care about photos. In 2025, choose Cozyla for organization and family coordination. Choose Apolosign for stunning photo display. Knowing your goal makes the decision easy. Subscribe for more honest tech comparisons.